So here's how to disconnect and unpair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro from your Mac or MacBook. Now, all you need to do is simply go into the control center by clicking on the control center at the top here, and then selecting Bluetooth. And then, as you can see, my earbuds are connected. So go into Bluetooth settings, and then you should be able to see them at the top here. Now you can either click on disconnect to disconnect those Bluetooth earbuds temporarily, or to forget them completely or unpair them, simply tap on the eye icon next to your earbuds and then select forget this device, and then confirm that you want to forget that particular device, and it's now going to be removed from the list of devices, and you're now going to need to connect them once more to be able to use them on your Mac or MacBook. But that's basically how to disconnect and unpair your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro from your Mac or MacBook. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.